Merry Christmas, Molly. Merry Christmas Eve. These are gifts from Samantha, Reid, and Adair. That one right there is from Adair.
Ooh, what's this?
What is it?
Special coffee cup, hot chocolate cup.
Oh, neat.
It's a hot chocolate cup.
No.
Can I see? Oh, it shines things on the ceiling. Princess things. Very cool. Awesome. Can't wait to open that up. That one's from Adair, too. What is it? What is it, Molly?
Candy cane.
No way. Let me see. Wowza. That's
Another
a
big
candy cane. Oh my. Hi, Grandpa.
Thank you, Samantha.
That's a huge candy cane.
Oh, that's what you think.
Oh my God. Good cover up. Let's see. That one's from Sammy. Ooh, what is it?
I don't know.
Let me see. Princess Puffy sticker playset. Cool. Ooh, that'll be fun. Okay. Now this one is from Samantha, Reid, and Adair. Okay.
It's hard.
Is it? You can do it. We got Jake right here too, guys. Jake. Say hi to Reid and Sammy and Adair. Hi. Okay.
Princess colors. Yeah.
Is it really?
A bag?
Oh.
One of those bags?
Yeah.
It's a little purse, I think, isn't it?
That is so cool. Look at all those jewels. It's glittery. That's awesome. Yay. What do you think? Oh, sorry. Jake's in the way. This one's from Adair. Ooh, what is it? Do you know what it is?
I don't know.
You don't know? Let me see. Turn it around. Oh, it's a bead set. You can make necklaces with that. Ooh, that'll be fun. All right. Okay, look at me. What do you say to Reid and Samantha and Adair? Oh, you got one more. Sorry. That one is from Sammy. Oh, cute. It's a headband. Or, not a headband. Oh, cute. Hair bows. Awesome. We needed some more. Oh, that's pretty. Look at those sparkles. Those are cool. Okay. Look at me. What do you say?
Thank you.
Look at me. Oh, yay. Can you wish them a Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
I love you.
Feliz Navidad.
All right. Bye, guys. We love you. Grandpa, anything?
Bye, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Bye. We love you. Any last words?
No.
Oh, say mwah. Bye, Jake.
Oh, my dick.